Today I have a Asus Zenbook UX 425 laptop. Today I will upgrade this laptop storage. It has a 500 GB SSD drive and 8 GB RAM. And this is the Core i5 10th generation laptop. Today I have a Lexar 1 TB SSD drive. And today I will install it. And hopefully it will help you if you want to upgrade your storage. This product made in China. And maybe it would be better. Let's see what happens. Here is another brand also, Transcend. Transcend brand is not available in our country. That's why I'm using this. Okay, let's start. Let's open the laptop and install it. This is our laptop motherboard. Here is a cooling fan. Here is so many dust. I will clean this also. At first I will disconnect the battery connection. Here is our SSD drive. This is the SSD drive. Okay. That's it. This grid also need to be cleaned. This paste become a dry. Okay, I will use the new paste. All these screws are open, and this is the keyboard connector. And you can see here is something happen on the keyboard connector, and I have to clean it. And if the keyboard have any problem, and it would be solved. Okay, let's clean it and see. And you can see this area, and you can see this area. Here is something happen. Okay, let's clean it and see. I'm using alcohol for cleaning this, and now it is perfectly clean. Okay, and this is perfectly clean. And legs are 1 TB SSD drive. Okay, new SSD drive, and I need to and here is the SSD drive it's showing, and now I need to install the OS. Okay, after installing OS I'll show. Operating system is installing. Our work has been done, and you can see here is showing 930 GB. Okay, 1 TB hard disk installed. Okay, viewers, thanks for watching.